Gosh, I almost made it in there 2 times. Try to beat that. A plane?
When we swing, we want to swing through the ball, through the plane of it. We don't want to hit up. We don't want to hit down. If there was a string attached to that ball, we don't want to drive it right through. Okay, that's what we're.
Pocket edition. Xbox 360. PS4. It comes with like, where does it come with? We have to, so like, headset.
We got a top.